Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how you can get your very own Lunaris. Lunaris is really helpful because her ability that she gives you while she's in your party is anti-gravity. And anti-gravity basically just means that it increases your carry capacity by 300, but the main thing that I like is it increases your Pal Sphere's ability to home in on targets so that they become a homing missile, even if you have something like the heavyweight module, which is supposed to weigh down your spheres. And you can find these here on the Pal Sanctuary, just to the south of the starter area right here. And then the only thing you really need to be careful about is these sanctuaries. Once you get inside the dome and you can just walk through that, there's nothing you have to do to get in here. You just have to be careful because little sentinels patrol the area in and around these sanctuaries, and if you stand in the red spotlight underneath of them, they will shoot you and do a bunch of damage to you because they're like level 80. They're the guards. It wouldn't be a sanctuary without a guard. So you can find a lot of different pals that might be rarer, especially given their levels in here. But what we're looking for is we're just going to patrol around until we can find a Lunaris. And these ones I usually find back over here by these petrified trees. These petrified trees are like hanging out above almost like a swamp. And here's one. You can find them all over the island and also kind of like floating above the water just outside of the island, like on your way towards the shield. And these Lunarises are about level 20 to 26-ish. And you can... I mean, if you're a higher level, make sure you've got a Ring of Mercy, because they're relatively easy to fight and capture. And then that's it. They roam all over this island. They're relatively easy to find, although if you're not having any luck, because I'm getting these guys at night. You gotta make sure you're here when it's nighttime, like I am right now. And if you're having trouble finding enough of them, you might have to capture some of these other pals that are in here in order to get them to spawn, because sometimes these other critters use up some of the spawning slots for the monsters that are inside of here. You can also get some ephedrins in here, which are kind of like a cool, almost like fairy dragon looking critter. There's some of these Elgroves, which are giant muscle man like satyrs. Is about the only way I can describe them. And you can catch those really easy. Again, if you're like way over leveled, there's that red light that tells you that there's a drone patrolling outside. But again, like, you just gotta wander around until you find what you're looking for. And if you happen to catch a few bonus pals along the way, well, that's just convenient. Like, I can catch some more of these Ecthilordeer Terras. I'm not sure how you pronounce that name. And just keep walking around until you find the very pal that you're looking for. This is where I found my first Lunaris, and they're a really handy mob to have, again, because they increase your carrying capacity, and they also make it so that you can have homing spheres. I sometimes see them, like, floating around the outside of these rocks. It's like that Pen King was kind of walking out here. But I'm not seeing anything right now. And it's turning daytime, so if you haven't found some, just kind of hang out. I haven't seen the drones patrol inside of here, but if they do, you can always take cover inside the back cavern. There's just a Grizzbolt back in there. And then that's it. This is a good place to find Lunaris. They're not as plentiful as trying to hunt down some of the other pals out and about in the regular world, but there's lots of places to find these. This just happens to be the closest place to the spawn if you want one really early and you happen to already have a flying mount. That'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.